Welcome back to my channel once again. This is Absolute GH. Today I'm going to show you how to make Parazone, I mean the thick bleach, 50 litres to be precise. So I'm going to show you how it is done. Please, making Parazones is very simple, yet for me it takes longer time. It takes days. I use days to make my thick bleach, and even the ordinary Parazone, the liquid one, the light one, I use days for it. And at the end of the day, I always get the result that I'm looking for. So please watch to the end as I show you how it is done. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then click on the notification bell. Please and please again watch the video to the end so that you know all the details of it, so that you don't come back and ask questions later. Some people don't watch the video, they just click and then go back and then start asking questions. Please watch to the end. You will know this one is a very detailed video as to how to make thick bleach. Yes, thick bleach. And at the end of the day, you will love the process. So stay tuned and enjoy. Now to the ingredients. This is correct. Edwaye, akasha, or chlorine. This is what we call this here. And the black polythene bag you see, rubber you see it, black you see it's a polythene bag. That's the correct use to be inside. This is soda ash. This one is my caustic soda. This is caustic soda. And also I have preservative. Preservative is optional. And then I have a base. I also have salt. It depends on how everyone makes their thick bleach, but this one, these are the ingredients that I use. For the preservative is optional. All of it is 1 kg each. I've already soaked or mixed my caustic soda, soda ash, and then the correct or akasha or edwaye. So this is the caustic soda. This one is the soda ash. You have to make it a day before or some hours before you start the preparation. This one too is my chlorine, which is soaked and sieved. I soak it and sieve it very well and make sure that there are no particles in it, because and this is the residue, the remaining ones. I will use it to scrub my bathhouse or give it to someone else. The reason why I sieve it, because at the end of the day, if you don't sieve it, you get a whole lot of residue under your thick bleach, which will cause a lot of waste. So you have to sieve it very well and make sure that you reduce the quantity of residue in your preparation. So to start with the preparation, you start it like you are making your liquid soup. You pour in your salt, and then you add your base and mix it. You add water bit by bit like you are making liquid soup until you get to a point. Then you start adding your water. Mind you, the quantity of water you use to mix your caustic soda, soda ash, and the rest all has to come from the 50 liters you are going to use. So after pouring in my salt, I added my preservative and then my base or texapon, like I'm making liquid soup. You mix them. After adding all the three ingredients, salt, preservative, and then the texapon, you stir it together like you are making liquid soup, as I said earlier. The quantity of water has to be measured first. You use some of the water to soak your other ingredients, and the remaining water you use to make the preparation. So be very vigilant on that, so that you don't end up making a very watery thick bleach. I don't add thickener powder to my parasols or thick bleach, because I don't want it to be too thick. Some people want their thick bleach to be extremely thick, so they add thickener powder to it, but I don't do that. Some add the thickener powder to increase the quantity of their products, which is okay. Some too add it to increase the thickness of their product. That's okay. So now let's look at the purpose of thick bleach. Thick bleach is used as a disinfectant cleaner. The thickened formulation enables it to cling to vertical surfaces, allowing a longer contact time for a better performance. It kills a wide range of bacteria, fungi, and viruses. So this is the main reason for making thick bleach. So I don't see why people always look at the thickness of it. I want very thick. So I don't add thickener powder to mine. You can add it to yours if you want to increase it or thicken it the more. Now let's look at its uses. It is suitable for sinks. It is good for toilets, drains, laundry purposes, for sanitizing equipment, for soaking clothes and mops, and also wiping down hard surfaces. Some add perfume to it to help remove bad odors, which is also optional if you want it to have a good smell and then remove bad odor. You can add perfume to it or you can leave it. You then continue to add your remaining ingredients to the mixture. You pour it small small and then you stir and make sure that it is well mixed. If you add all of them straight up, it might get some lumps. At the end of the day, it will go, but you wouldn't want to waste your time and stir for a long time. So you just have to add it in a small way. After adding all the ingredients, you cover it and allow it to settle for a day or two for it to settle down. Then you start scooping it. Make sure when you are scooping, you don't get some of the residues in it. So you scoop some, and when it gets to the bottom that it is mixing with the white substance, then you leave it till the next day or a few hours, then you come back to scoop again. So this is how I do my scooping to avoid residues to get into your parasol. So this is where I stop for now, and then allow it to settle again, then come back to scoop. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Absolute GA channel, and also I will be posting all these things there. You can follow me from that end. And also if you want training, you can call me or WhatsApp me. The number is my WhatsApp number and also my phone number. So after scooping everything out, this is the remaining residue which I will just give it to someone. You can also make a scoring paste out of this, or you can make vim out of this residue. I will teach you another time. So after leaving it for about a day or two, this is the final one that I'm going to bottle. So thank you all for watching my video, and also click on the notification bell and watch the videos to the end. It's very important so that you don't come back and be asking questions. See you in my next video.